Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to make data-driven decisions for your support team? Let me show you how to analyze customer support data in Zendesk using Explore. First, understand the key metrics. Zendesk Explore tracks ticket volume, efficiency, and satisfaction. Essential metrics include tickets created, solved tickets, and unsolved tickets. Watch your backlog. Aging open tickets hurt customer satisfaction. Next, measure agent efficiency. First reply time and full resolution time are critical. Every extra hour a ticket remains unresolved increases handling cost. Explore also tracks one-touch tickets, those solved after a single agent reply. Now, check the live performance dashboard. On professional plans or hire, this shows real-time agent status, ticket activity by channel, and queue times. You can see how many agents are online and how many tickets are waiting. Don't forget satisfaction. The CASA score is calculated by dividing good ratings by total rating. Explore shows both good and for messaging channels. The messaging dashboard tracks resolution times, first reply times, and handle times. You can filter by agent, group, or channel to spot performance gaps. Finally, act on insights. Identify recurring issues and create help center articles or automate tagging. Data alone isn't enough. You need to link dashboards to daily decisions. And that's it. With Explore, you can turn raw ticket data into actionable insights that improve your support operation. If you analyze your Zendesk data, let me know your favorite report in the comments. See you in the next one.